Simple machines. A machine is a tool used to make our work easy. Machines are of two types, simple and complex. Simple machine. Simple machines are simple tools with few parts. Simple machines are of 5 types: lever, pulley, wheel and axle, inclined plane, screw. Lever. Lever is a stiff rod that rests on a support called a fulcrum, which moves loads. A lever has 3 parts: fulcrum, a support on which rod moves; effort, a part where force is applied on the rod to do work; load, a part on which work has to be done. For example, in order to move a big stone with the help of a stick, you need to apply a lot of force. If you keep a small stone as a support below the stick, it moves the stone with less effort. The big stone is called load. The force applied to move the stone is called effort. The small stone which gives support is called fulcrum. Depending on the position of fulcrum, effort and load, levers are of 3 types. First class lever. In this class of lever, the fulcrum is in between the load and the effort. See saw, pliers, hammer, scissors, etc. are some examples of first class levers. Second class lever. In this class of lever, the load is in between the fulcrum and the effort. Nutcracker, bottle opener and wheelbarrow are some examples of second class levers. Third class lever. In this class of lever, the effort is in between the load and the fulcrum. Tongs, fishing rods, tweezers, etc. are some examples of third class levers. Pulley. A pulley is a signal machine made with a rope or chain wrapped around a wheel. It has grooves along the wheel's edges. The groove is for a rope to move around the pulley. It changes the direction of force and makes it easier to lift things at some height. A pulley is used to draw water from a well, to hoist the flag on a flagpole and to lift heavy engines. There are 2 types of pulleys. Fixed pulley. This pulley is attached to a hook but doesn't move. It can change the direction of the force but it does not increase the size of the force. The advantage of the fixed pulley is that you do not have to pull or push the pulley up and down. The disadvantage is that you have to apply more effort than the load. Wells and flagpoles are the examples of fixed pulleys. Movable pulley. This pulley moves with the load. The movable pulley allows the effort to be less than the weight of the load. The advantage of a movable pulley is that you use less effort to pull the load. The disadvantage of a movable pulley is that you have to pull or push the pulley up and down. Window blinds and fishing cords are examples of movable pulleys. Wheel and axle. The wheel and axle is a simple machine made of a large wheel connected to a smaller wheel which is called an axle. When the axle rotates, it moves the wheel also. Screwdriver, pencil sharpener, cycle pedal, etc. are some examples of wheel and axle. Inclined plane. An inclined plane is a flat surface with one end higher than the other. It is used to raise a body which is too heavy with less effort. An inclined plane does not reduce the amount of work done but makes it easier to do. Ramps in hospitals, roads on hills, etc. are some examples of inclined planes. Screw. A screw is an inclined plane that is wrapped around a cylinder. It can thread into a metal bolt in such a way that they are interlocked and cannot move apart. It is used to hold things together. Wedge. A wedge is a simple machine with a sharp edge on one side and blunt on the other side. It has 2 inclined planes. Axe, razor, knife, etc. are examples of wedges.